Hello, East Speller friends. Welcome to part 2 of the cold idioms. If you haven't seen part 1, go back and watch it. I talk about these idioms. Today we will talk about these ones. Let's start by breaking the ice. When you are at a party and you don't know anyone, it can be very uncomfortable. It can feel cold and icy, unwelcoming. So when someone does something to change the atmosphere, they break the ice. For example, if I introduce myself to someone at the party, I'm breaking the ice. Or if I start dancing crazily or just do something really weird and make everyone relax and chill out, it can change the atmosphere and make it feel warmer. It's called break the ice. Next, we have walking on thin ice. So when I am being very careful because I don't want to fall through the thin ice. This is used to talk about when you're in a dangerous or risky situation that could go badly. For example, he was walking on thin ice with his parents after he was caught doing graffiti. And you don't even need walking. You can just say he was on thin ice with his parents after he was caught doing graffiti. Or Jimmy is on thin ice with his girlfriend because he forgot to buy her a birthday present. That's a bad move, Jimmy. Next, we have the tip of the iceberg. If you have seen the movie Titanic, you might be a little bit familiar with icebergs. If not, let me explain. An iceberg is a big piece of ice found in very cold waters, like in the Arctic, at the top of the world, or the Antarctic, at the bottom of the world. And the scary thing about icebergs is that you only see part of the iceberg above the water. Most of the iceberg is underneath the water, and you can't see it. So people use this phrase to talk about a problem where you see only part of it, and the main part of the problem is what you don't see. You can say, it's just the tip of the iceberg, or it's only the tip of the iceberg. For example, saving endangered animals is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to protecting animals. Next, we have cold hands, warm heart. You can use this phrase to talk about somebody who doesn't seem to show a lot of emotions, but you can tell they still feel things. For example, I can say, he has cold hands but a warm heart. He doesn't show his emotions easily, but I can tell he cares. Give someone the cold shoulder. I'm giving you the cold shoulder. I'm not talking to you. This means you ignore someone or don't talk to them because you were mad at them. For example, have you talked to Stacy recently? No, I'm giving her the cold shoulder because she stole my muffins. Giving Stacy the cold shoulder because she ate my muffins. Don't eat my muffins. And we have snowed under. This is not the same as snowed in. No. It means you have a lot of work to do and you don't know where to begin. For example, I'm sorry, I can't hang out today. I'm snowed under all this homework. And I have no idea where to start with it. I just have too much work to do. So you can use it when you have a lot of work to do. Those are some idioms you can use all year long. You don't have to use them just in winter. I hope you enjoyed these videos about cold idioms. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. Remember to share these videos with your friends so you don't leave them out in the cold when it comes to English learning. Until next time.